Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Sabrina's STEAM Time. My name is Miss Sabrina, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cloud in a glass using just a few ingredients that you should already have at home. First, though, let's talk about what a cloud is. A cloud is formed when liquid evaporates from large bodies of water, such as an ocean or a lake. This vapor then condenses into water droplets that attach to pieces of dust or pollen that are floating around in the air. When billions of these particles bind together, they form a cloud. And when that cloud gets too heavy, gravity causes those water droplets to fall back down towards the ground as rain, which is similar to what we're going to be doing today in our experiment. So, to make our cloud in the jar, you're going to need three things. The first is a glass full of water. Second, shaving cream. And third, food coloring. You want to make sure that your glass is full about 3/4 of the way with water. Once you have your glass full with water, the next step is to cover the top of the water with shaving cream. This is going to act as your cloud. The last and final step is to use our food coloring and squeeze a couple of droplets onto the top of the shaving cream. As the food coloring saturates the shaving cream, it's going to eventually become too heavy for the shaving cream to hold, and it's going to start to fall down towards the bottom of the glass in the similar way as rain falls down towards the ground. Can you guys see that? So lastly, if you guys are feeling extra creative, you can drop different colors of food coloring to make a rainbow. So here I have red. I'm adding towards the top, and also some yellow. Isn't that cool? Thank you guys for joining me today. Don't forget to visit lbccld.org, where you can find a wide variety of e-resources such as ebooks, movie streaming, and homework help. Thanks again. Bye.